Hi, I'm Rachel from Jimmy Bean's Wool, and today we're going to take a look at Malabrigo Chunky. Here are some key things you need to know about Malabrigo Chunky. This yarn is bulky weight. It's made from 100% merino wool. It comes in a 100 gram, 104 yard hank. And this yarn is great for quick and cozy accessories and garments. Now let's get into the detailed review. All right, so Malabrigo Chunky comes in all the beautiful colors that you would expect to see from Malabrigo. We've grabbed a selection of them here. This one in particular I think is so pretty because it's like purpley gray and just has so much depth to the color. So they do such a great job with those tonals that have, you know, a little bit more going on than just a solid color. And this one too is really pretty. There's like a little bit of like light purple lavender in it almost, but it's still overall kind of gray. And so it's what you would expect from Malabrigo's lovely dyeing. It is a 3-ply. Let me see if I can grab a strand here to show you. The plies are pretty thick because it is a bulky weight. Oops, there we go. Let's kind of refocus on that. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, every strand on the 3-ply is pretty thick, so you get a nice heavy bulky weight yarn here. It's going to knit up into nice thick cozy garments. They will be very warm, so be sure that you're prepared for something like that. You want to check your gauge first too, because I've definitely knit with this yarn and used too small of a needle and had the fabric just come out way too thick. So for me anyway, with bigger yarn, I definitely have to swatch and just make sure I'm getting a fabric that is going to have enough like movement and drape to it that it's still going to be wearable. So keep that in mind if you're knitting things like hats and cowls and shawls and stuff like that. They do recommend a size 10 to 11 needle, and I think you can get away with using just about any needle that you prefer. It's not particularly splitty or anything like that, so whatever you prefer to knit with, I think you'll be happy with that. The gauge they recommend is 12 to 15 stitches over 4 inches. And it is a hand wash yarn, so keep that in mind if you're gifting it. But overall, this is just a really great, like, you know, workhorse bulky yarn and beautiful colors. It would make a great hat or any kind of accessory like that for wintertime. All right, so that was Malabrigo Chunky, a really great yarn for soft and quick projects. I'm Rachel, thanks for watching. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing because we have a lot more yarn reviews, tutorials, and other fiber fun like that. Happy crafting!